Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop, 2500 PA Suction and Amp, Sonic Mopping, Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with Multi-Level Mapping, works with Alexa, mop floors and vacuum carpets in one clean, perfect for pet hair sonic mopping technology. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum mops with the power of sound, scrubbing up to 3,000 times per minute. Fed by a 300 ml electronic water tank, stains from coffee to mud and more can be cleaned deeply and effectively. Intelligent Mop Lifting. S7's Vibrarize Mop lifts when a carpet is detected, so you can mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. It also raises when cleaning is finished to avoid spreading dirt, and when docked so you can say goodbye to ugly plastic mats and dirty streaks. Upgraded Brush System. Multidirectional floating brush keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning even on uneven surfaces. Roborock S7's all-new rubber brush is more durable and resists hair tangling better. It's perfect for homes with pets. Powerful performance. With 600 G mop pressure and 2500 PA hyperforce suction, Roborock S7 easily lifts dust and hair from floors and pulls it from deep inside carpets. It is the most powerful and the most convenient robot vacuum Roborock has ever made. Ultrasonic Carpet Recognition. Roborock S7 accurately identifies carpets using ultrasonic sound. Once a carpet is recognized, S7 will automatically boost the suction power for a deeper carpet cleaning. You can also choose to have the mop lift to vacuum low-pile carpets, or use no-mop zones to prevent it from cleaning medium and high-pile ones. You do not need to worry about wet carpets while cleaning the floor. Accurate cleaning. Using LiDAR navigation, onboard maps are incredibly accurate and Roborock's renowned navigation adaptive route algorithms always work to find the fastest route for cleaning.